Did you know that over half of the world's population still lives in poverty, while a selected few hold the majority of the planet's wealth? It's no coincidence that these individuals all share a common understanding of money and financial success. Imagine if you could unlock those same concepts and transform your financial future. And that is exactly what I'll be revealing to you in this video. Number 1. Having the right mindset. Our journey towards financial freedom must start in the most important tool in our arsenal, a positive mindset. Many people believe that simply making more money will solve all their financial woes, but this just isn't the case.
Is it not?
In reality, your mindset is what lays the foundation for your financial success, shaping how much you earn, how much you keep, and your financial well-being. This mindset is a reflection of how you view the world, how you handle life's challenges, and ultimately, how you perceive your finances.
Yep.
The key to unlocking financial success lies within your mindset. Too many people fall into the trap of thinking that more money is the answer to all their problems, but this just leads to a never-ending pursuit. Instead, viewing money as a tool can help cultivate a positive relationship with it and make acquiring it much easier. The financially successful people have grasped this concept and use their wealth wisely by investing and acquiring assets rather than splurging on meaningless purchases.
We went shopping!
Turn your perception of money into a positive one and watch your finances soar. It's surprising to know that some people see money as a source of evil, which is a mindset that attracts failure. Instead, view money as a tool that can enhance your life and provide you with all the things you desire. What you believe has the power to shape your destiny. If you embrace failure as your fate, that is exactly what you'll attract. But if you choose to believe in your ability to succeed, success will come to you.
Really?
There is a saying, if you call someone something enough times, they will believe it. Words are a powerful tool that can influence a person's action. If you want someone to succeed, make them believe they can achieve it by complementing their mind and action. The key to financial success is maintaining a mindset of confidence, even in the face of challenges. This will keep you level-headed, problem-solving instead of panicking, and serene instead of stressed. By staying focused on your goal and trusting in your ability to succeed, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Number 2. Establishing a financial blueprint. If you're learning something of value, I'd appreciate you smash the like button and hit the bell icon to see more of these videos. Achieving financial success requires a solid foundation in the form of a financial system. These systems will help you turn your financial aspirations into reality by providing you the support and guidance needed to grow and succeed. One of the key components of this foundation is a budget. Your budget is a roadmap that outlines your income and how you plan on spending it.
We also need to look at the budget ASAP.
With a budget, you can keep tabs on your spending, prioritize what matters most, and make room for saving and investing. But investing can be a tricky endeavor, which is why seeking the help of a financial advisor can be a smart move. Financial advisors are experts in the field, armed with the knowledge, experience, and objectivity to help you achieve your financial goals.
Me?
I'll call my financial advisor.
They can make sound decisions without being swayed by emotions and can also research investment opportunities to determine profitability. Investing in a financial advisor may seem like an added expense, but it can actually be a wise investment in your financial future, freeing up your time and helping you make informed decisions. When I think of a financial advisor, I think of people wearing suits, but the reality is, you can get any financial advice on the internet at any given time. It's just a matter of choosing the right people to listen to. I could sit here and give you all this knowledge about investments, but it really comes down to you and making the most calculated choice of investing. So when seeking financial advice, be be sure to look at the pros and cons of the investments.
Certainly.
Number 3. Acquiring high-income skills in an organization. Maybe assuming that those who earn more are the ones who work the hardest, but that's not always the case. Earning a higher income doesn't require excessive physical strain, but rather a right set of skills. Within a company, it's not uncommon for employees working the same hours to earn vastly different salaries. This is due to the skills they possess. Those with lower salaries often have less in-demand skills compared to those earning more. For example, a manager's role is more complex and requires experience and coordination skills, unlike a janitor's work, which is less skill-based.
Janitor!
The manager is therefore worth more to the organization and earns a higher salary. In any company, there are essential skills that cannot be done without. Your task is to identify these high-income skills and make them your own. Evaluate your own skill set and see how you can contribute to your organization. Have a conversation with your employer about how your skills can benefit the company and offer to help. This will make you a valuable asset and may result in a pay increase. If you don't currently possess these top skills, don't fret. You can still acquire them through various means such as formal education, finding a mentor, or taking a paid course.
Oh, I paid for it.
Or you can do what I do and spend your free time listening to valuable information from YouTube videos. It's free and definitely better than mindlessly scrolling through TikTok and Instagram feeds. Number 4. Scaling up your income. Looking to increase your income without sacrificing more time. With only 24 hours in a day, it's vital to make the most of each hour. Scaling up your income or business requires careful planning to build a strong support system for growth. To make the most of resources, including time and money, outsourcing can be a game changer. Hiring external experts to handle tasks previously done by internal staff or yourself not only saves money by avoiding the need for prepayment employee with a salary and office space, but also gives you access to a wider range of skills and expertise. This allows you to complete projects more efficiently, freeing up time for your team and giving you the flexibility to select the best of the best for each task.
Alright, so raise your hand if you want to get rich.
With outsourcing, you can leverage your existing resources and increase your earnings without increasing your expenses. The way I see it, it's called leverage. Every time it was my birthday around the ages of 16 to 19, I would wish for more time. The only reason I wished that was because I didn't have time to be productive for my YouTube channel. With all my school assignments and exams I had to revise for, school was only a distraction for me until I figured out a way to create more time. Since there's only 24 hours in a day, I realized that if I use other people's time to have them work for me, I would get more productions done within the same 24 hours in a day. This right here is leverage. I think you need that if you want to scale up your income. Remember, success starts with 4 pillars of finance: having the right mindset, establishing a financial blueprint, acquiring a high income skill, and scaling up your income through leverage. Without them, it'll be very hard to get rich in this new economy. Now YouTube believes this next video will be a game changer for you, so hit play and let's find out if they're right.